The motive of today's accumulation is to celebrate the most brightful day of Indian history, Ambedkar's Jayanti. We all know that Indian history is filled with many patriotic freedom fighters and social reformers. One famous name among them is that of Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th of April 1891. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated on this auspicious day. Ambedkar was the force behind Dalit Buddhist movement. This man was passionate to fight the various injustices prevalent in India at that time. Ambedkar led a campaign to support the untouchables. He was the first law minister and justice minister of India. At the time of the framing of the Indian Constitution, he played the role of the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. In 1990, the Bharat Ratna, India's highest award, was conferred upon him. His legacy includes numerous memorials and depictions in popular culture. He fought the evil of casteism and opposed its severe form called untouchability. In 1932, the British colonial government announced the formation of separate electorate and also said the formation of depressed class, which was actually chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Gandhiji protested by fast and while he was imprisoned. 25th September, it's a historic date in the Indian history, 1932, because the greatest Pune Pact on this date was signed, and the particular act has given the reservation of seats to the depressed class from since then. Since then, the policy of reservation has been followed in our country for the backward classes and groups. According to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, life should be great rather than long, and he measured the progress of a community success by the degree of success achieved by women. I bow my head in respect, acclaiming and admiring the esteemed great personality and international figure, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Thank you.
He was the first Law and Justice Minister of independent India and most significantly, the father of Indian Constitution. He was born on April 14, 1891 and breathed his last on December 6, 1956.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Udita Mondal of class here to deliver a speech on the eve of Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated throughout the country on 14th April. He is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution due to his instrumental role in drafting the Indian Constitution. He was born on 14th April 1891 in Indore to a family that was considered as lower caste at that time. He pursued BA Honours in Economics and Political Science from Elphinstone College. He completed PhD in Economics in 1927. He was master in 64 subjects and was proficient in 11 languages. He took his last breath on 6 December 1956. The name of this great Indian reformer will always remember by all the Indians. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thanks to Udita for enriching us.
Good morning to everyone present today. I am Abhinandan Mondal from class 3B of Yamuna House. Today is the very special day of Ambedkar Jayanti. Now I am going to deliver a speech on the topic Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated all over the world on 14th April every year. This day is actually the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was born on 14th April 1891 in Mahatown of Madhya Pradesh. He faced difficulties in completing his education as he was a Dalit.
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, I, Suniska Mukherjee, student of class 4A, delighted to have an opportunity of expressing my views on Ambedkar Jayanti. We all know that Indian history is certainly filled with many patriotic freedom fighters and social reformers.
I am Rick Mandal,
Class 1, Section A, roll number 20. Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I am going to tell a speech on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 in Moh, Madhya Pradesh. He fought for the equality of the untouchables and called as Baba Saheb by his supporters.
संविधान का है तू ही शिल्पकार, तूने ही सिखाया है समानता का सार, राष्ट्र संविधान का है तू ही शिल्पकार, तूने ही सिखाया है समानता का सार।